loves, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys have already saw, I did a quick unboxing of this unit as well as some minimal customizations, and so let's just jump right into how I feel about the unit. So as you guys already know, this unit is courtesy of Vanessa Hair Fashion. They were kind enough to send me another unit, but not just another unit, another TTRGOLD unit, because if you guys see my last review of a TTRGOLD unit, you would know that I absolutely love this color, and so they were kind enough to send me another unit, but a shorter unit. So just to reiterate what this wig is, it is their Tops MC SEYO. I guess it's SEYO. I think it's like Neo SEYO. I don't know. But as I already told you guys, it's in the color TTRGOLD. It comes with the Tops middle C part, and it has lace in this C part right here. Now, my personal thoughts about this unit. If you guys did see my other review, then you guys already know that I was not feeling this C part. I love the color. I actually love the cut on this wig as well as the other wig as well. I will not get into the C part. The C part just does not do it for me. I just feel like it's not as natural as I would love it to be. And then on top of that, for whatever reason, the hair comes with like a hump right here, which is why you guys saw me use the wand to kind of flatten the hair out, and even then it's still not flat. Like I can still feel whatever it is they put in here or whatever to make this a hump. I don't know, y'all. I don't understand. I don't get it. What's mind-boggling to me is if you look on the stock card, the young lady, the model that's wearing it, she doesn't have a hump. So if you guys can see that, I'll put it closer. So as you guys can see, she doesn't have a hump in her wig. But I did show you guys what you can do so that you can flatten out that hump that comes right here if you don't like it. I just personally didn't like it. And I still don't feel like it's as natural as I would love it to be because of the C part. Color, bomb. Cut, bomb. C part, not so much. So with this C part, I feel like I have to give the wig like a B+, and I hate to do that because this color is so bomb. Like if you guys see this color, I mean you guys see this color, but like this color is beautiful. It's like even more beautiful probably off camera. As you guys can see, it does tangle a little bit, but it's a synthetic unit and it's short, so it's not going to be a big deal or a big issue for me. But yeah, I would so rock this unit any and everywhere if I felt like the part was better. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you're thinking. Let me know how you feel about this unit, about this color, and I hope to see you guys in my next video.